how to verify LinkedIn account. So if you want to verify your LinkedIn account, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. Now on your browser, you need to search for LinkedIn. After searching for your LinkedIn, you need to go with www.linkedin.com, which is the official website, and make sure that you're logged into your account. So go and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can also create one. You can just simply go with create page or the sign up page and create one account. And once you've created, you need to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with me, which is on the top right. Click on the me and then go with view profile. Now, once you're on your profile, you will have an option, and then you will find an option of add verification badge, or you may also have an option of verify now, which is right here. In my case, it's here below. You need to click on verify now. And if you have not verified, then it will ask you if you want to verify your workplace as LinkedIn or if verify your identity with persona. So you can just simply go and select any one of these options. So I'll just simply go with the first one and enter your email address and then go with next. Make sure it's a valid email address. And with the first process, you'll be able to verify your workplace as LinkedIn. But if you want to verify your LinkedIn account, then it's the second section, which is verify your identity. So you need to click on the arrow, which is on the second section. And then here, this is the process of your account verification. So in order to verify your LinkedIn account, you need to use your mobile device to verify. You need to follow the directions to verify your identity using persona on your mobile device. The LinkedIn app is required. So download the LinkedIn app. And once you open up your LinkedIn app, you need to open the camera app on your phone and then scan the QR code to the left and follow the steps, whichever the steps it will give you. You need to follow the steps on your mobile device. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.